Hello everyone, nice for you to join me on this particular technique. As we get straight to it, we're going to be working with double processing color. Now in this instance, of course, the double process will be that the initial process is to lighten the hair, and I'm using a very specific mixture I'll talk about a little bit later on this. And then the next step is going to be using a deposit only color. In this instance, a fashion shade, blue. And the tone that I'm going to use has various aspects to it. Now I should tell you right out of the gate that whenever you're lightening hair and then putting on a fashion shade, be it any tone, blue, purple, pink, any color like that, you're going to have less of a retentive reaction than when you put it on hair that is naturally very, very light, very blonde, gray, or white. That's just the way that is, and the reason why is because you're increasing the porosity grade so very much when you do this, so it should be done as gently as possible. To that end, I am using a lightener that would be considered an on-the-scalp lightener so that I can achieve my goal in the gentlest way possible. Notice that my application is with the flat of the brush at the top and then gets to be with the head of the brush so that I can work it straight through the sections. So at the top it's just resting on top of the hair, but as we get going into the length I'm pushing it through. This color application is going to primarily be a peekaboo kind of a color, so it will show from the occipital area and down, nothing above that. And so whenever she pulls her hair up or wants to bring it out, she can, and whenever she leaves it down, then there you go. Here is the end result of the lightening, and now I will begin my depositing color. Now we're going to go ahead and finish up this last piece here, wrap it in nice and tight to keep the application clean, after which we wash it off using a color appropriate shampoo, in this case Vitamino. I then blow dry the hair and then rolled it with retractable handles, or retractable brushes with retractable handles, smoothed it out, and you can begin to see some of the highs and lows of my color here. Now this particular color on her hair gives me some pieces that are more cobalt and some pieces that are more of a turquoise green blue. So really pretty. She loved the tone, so that's happiness. That works for us. Next time we're thinking maybe we'll add some purple to it, or maybe even do straight purple. The beauty of this thing is that you can do it almost every time. You can do it something different as long as you stay within the family of it. So let's brush it on out so you can see what it looks like. Now I'm going to, by way of style, expose the underneath by taking hair from the occipital bone and up with a little bit of a bit of the color in it, and I'm going to twist it up into a knot, spray it, and pin it. That will allow the hair underneath to be vastly more exposed. So I just tied it into a knot, sprayed it down, shaped up a little bit with some sapphire, and there you have it. Thank you very much for spending this time with me. I encourage you to leave any comments you have in the comment section. Hit a like on this particular video if you'd like to, and I will see you in future. Take care, have a great day, and stay healthy.